Next is a morning walk conversation with His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada, recorded on April 17th, 1976, in Bombay, India.
Those who change every year, fear is. I don't like that scientist. Do you like that scientist? Nobody, no gentleman likes that.
But then he's not a scientist who changes himself.
Yeah. You cannot change your position. That is science. Krishna has said that matta parataram nanya. So nobody has become greater than Krishna up till now. That is science. Can anyone challenge Krishna? No. And he has said, matta parataram namya. So that is science.
No, but the scientists try to unearth the secrets of Krishna. Scientists, the modern science is trying to unearth the secrets of Krishna only.
Trying to?
Unearth the secret of Krishna. Krishna's Maya.
Krishna is Maya.
Maya, we are trying to unearth the secret of Krishna's Maya. Those two scientists must come forward, huh? Now he is going to throw a bombshell.
Jai. Hare Krishna.
The reference of which comes in practically 2-3 Upanishads. The one which you have also commented, there is the reference, the Mundaka Upanishad in the beginning. Dve vidye, veditavye, paracha, paracha. So, we are the scientists of the aparavidya, you are the scientists of the paravidya. So we must not have any quarrel. We have divided our sphere of activity.
No, there is no quarrel. But we say that these are for the rascals.
We.
Yeah. Aparavidya is for the rascals.
But even the greatest of the, saints, namely the guru of, Suk Maharaj, also he had the first aparavidya. Then aparavidya is the first step.
Aparavidya, you remain a rascal.
No, but we always have to put up our step on the aparavidya, then you put up your step on the paravidya. You can't jump over it.
No, there is no question of jumping, but things should be realized as it is. Apara, this is apara, this is para. So, this is inferior, this is superior. That you have to admit.
This was the question of Narad Muni himself in the beginning.
And it is explained about aparavidya. Antavattu phalam tesam tad bhavati alpamedasa. Therefore ask it. Alpamedasa. Alpa means no brain, no brain.
Of bhakti other than of Krishna. Alpa.
Aparavidya. Paravidya means Krishna. Paravidya means Krishna. So, one who, okay? Unless one comes to the point of Krishna, he is in the aparavidya. And aparavidya is meant for the less intelligent class. Tad bhavati alpamedasa.
The whole question was, sir, here in Upanishad, that
Upanishad is paravidya.
But when Muni went to
Upanishad is the beginning of paravidya.
That's right, sir. He says that what you have learned, let me know what you have learned, then I will teach you further on.
Yes.
And he said that we have
to know what is your position, whether still you are foolish or you have become intelligent.
If he had not become intelligent, he would not have gone there. That means he has become intelligent.
That is all right. He has gone to the... that is past. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita. Chaturvida bhajante ma. To Krishna. Anyone who goes to Krishna or Guru for asking, he is pious. He is not miscreant. The Duskritan, he is not Duskritan. He is pious. Maybe he is in the lower position, but he is pious. That is this kind. And one who does not go either to Krishna or his representative is Duskritim, Naradhava. This is the difference. one man is suffering from some disease, if he has gone to the physician, he is intelligent. And one who says, what is this? I don't care for me. He is a rascal. That's all.
You must come to me.
Yes.
No, but
Anyone who accepts that I must be treated is intelligent.
yes, sir, the Aparavidya is meant for the body. Aparavidya, I mean to say. Paravidya is meant for the soul.
Yeah.
So, soul and body has got to live together. So, there is a necessity of Aparavidya also
no.
to keep your body going.
So, Paravidya does not mean to reject the body.
So, there is a necessity of Aparavidya.
No. That is to make the best use of a bad one. How to use the body best to perfect Paravidya. That is intelligence. Just like you have a car is not neglected, you don't kick out car. But it must be used for spreading Krishna consciousness.
That is what I say, sir, that
Yeah.
you must have the knowledge of car. And that knowledge of car is Aparavidya.
No. There is no need of, you have the car, you can go from this place to that place very quickly. So utilize it for Krishna consciousness.
You must know how to drive it. That is knowledge. Why do you say no?
That automatically comes.
How can anything can come automatically?
You see many drivers, they do not know about mechanics, but very first class driving.
When learning driving is the knowledge of driving,
Yes, driving that is,
Suraj, why don't you say something?
yes.
You are fast.
many first class owners, you know, you are a physician, you are not a motor mechanic, but you know how to drive. That is not very difficult.
Isn't it when you drive for Krishna, doesn't it become Paravidya then? When you drive for Krishna,
Yes,
doesn't it
everything
become
is done
Paravidya?
for Krishna, that is Paravidya.
Anything spoken for Krishna, Krishna is Paravani.
Yes.
And this is Paravidya.
Vasudeva Para, there is a verse, Vasudeva Para, Karma Vasudeva Para, like
Vasudeva Para, Makha Vasudeva Para.
Yes. Everything should be for Vasudeva. And he is first class wise man who knows Vasudeva Sarvamiti, Samahatma.
Sudurlabha.
But such kind of intelligent person is very rare.
Vasudeva Sarvamiti, sir, you get actually when you become the real Vaishnava, because when you see the presence of God in every inanimate and animate object, that is you are a real Vaishnava. Otherwise you are not.
That is a fact. Without Vasudeva, without Krishna's order, Maya Dhakshena, everything is being done under his superintendence. Maya Dhakshena. Even in the Prakriti, Apara and Para, there are two Prakriti. So even in Apara Prakriti, there is superintendence.
So I am interrupting you, sir. Maya Adhyakshena Suyate Prakriti Sacharacha. Now then, Maya Adhyakshena, we want to learn how he Adhyakso, and that is our Vidya, and that is our Aparavidya. That is we are scientists, sir. And don't now, please, sir, say we are bad people. We are trying to learn it.
But you defy Krishna.
Do we defy by trying to learn his Maya Adhyakshena Suyate Prakriti Sacharacharam? The whole Sacharacharam Prakriti is sitting by his...
now we are advanced, we don't require God. There is a book.
That
Yes, we don't require God. Now we shall adjust. We shall create human being according to our nature.
you are also scientist. We are on one side.
You know that?
Yes, sir, right, sir.
They say that we shall create human being
No, they say that
according to our necessity.
it is not possible to. Can they create us leave? Then let them create a human.
Therefore we say rascal.
But then you don't bracket all of us together. Here 4 or 5 of us here, we are next to you. We are no number.
Then there is the same theory that this side of stool is dry, it is good.
Because it is going to manure the food.
is moist, therefore it is black.
Yes, sir. That type of stool which goes and manures the crop, that is good, evidently.
After stool,
No.
this side or that side. The whole conclusion is that unless one is surrendered to Krishna, he remains in darkness.
That's right.
That is the point. Therefore we are trying to enlighten people to Krishna consciousness.
And a scientist trying to unearth the secret of nature means Krishna. He is doing work for Krishna. And he cannot be...
No, everyone has to work for Krishna.
Yes, but he is actually
a
doing.
prisoner in the prison house. He is also working for government. But he is forced to do it. That nobody can escape Krishna. That is not possible.
Right, sir. But the scientist is not forced to do it.
Anyone,
He
why
willingly
scientists?
does it.
Even cats and dogs, they are also doing for Krishna. You cannot, nobody
The
can
scientist
escape.
willingly does it to unearth his secret. And you don't call him rascal. The scientist who does it.
No, I don't say, Krishna says.
Krishna says those people are rascal who does not believe in him, not others.
So anyhow, that is the test. If you don't believe in Krishna, you are rascal. That's all. We are simple child. Krishna has said that anyone who has not surrendered is a rascal. So we say, have you surrendered to Krishna? No, you are a rascal. Our test is very simple.
Right. And what do you mean by surrendering, sir?
Huh? He does not know anything but Krishna. You know,
Surrendering means by mental process, to my mind, this is my definition. By mental processing, everything which is happening is by Krishna's grace, is surrendering to my mind.
No mental concoction.
Then what is that concoction?
Factual.
That is factual.
No,
That everything
mental
is-
concoction is not factual.
Sir, but I am, you don't let me speak. I say that everything which is happening in a phenomena is nothing but by the grace of God or by Krishna's own order. And if that
And we
mental
have no
process,
responsibility.
and that mental process, if you are working, is it a wrong mental process?
Yes, it is a greatest wrong.
How, in what way?
If
I am
you-
open
if
to
your patient-
correction.
If the patient comes, that is by Krishna's ways I have become disease, then where is
Oh,
your
yes.
requirement? You don't
But
you
by
are not-
Krishna's grace, I have become a doctor. Both the ways. Why see on one side?
Then say that. Why do you say one side?
Of course, everything is by Krishna. The man is diseased by Krishna. I am produced by Krishna. I will cure by Krishna's grace that man. And
that
that man
is-
died. He will die by Krishna's grace.
That's
Then that is Krishna's grace.
that is all right.
Then that is what I have been saying.
Yes, that is Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
I think I am not wrong.
No, everything is Krishna. That is the highest stage. That is the highest stage. খাবার জঙ্গম দেখে না দেখে তার মূর্তি সর্বত্র স্ফুরয়ে তার ইষ্টদেব মূর্তি one sees, he sees this beach, but he does not see beach, he sees Krishna. That is the highest stage.
That is what I was meaning that. But unfortunately my expression was very poor. I am not
that
a
may be.
student of literature like you.
Nothing connects. Maya tatamidam sarvam. So everything is Krishna. Krishna says, Maya tatamidam sarvam. Where is not Krishna? But the Mayavadi says, everything is Krishna, therefore let me worship this sand. That is rascal. What is the use of going to the temple? Let me worship this sand. That is rascal. Krishna says clearly, Maya tatamidam sarvam jagatam bhaktamurtina masthani sarvabhutani naham tesu avastita.
Naham Teshwasthiti, more important.
Yeah.
So I look a fool and they become wise. All of them.
Why? You are wise.
They want that I should say something and then you call me a rascal. And they bury me.
No.
No. I say all right. Then
First off, it's not
it's all right.
happy at someone else's
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Possible to remain with the devotee.
हाँ तो हम ऐसा कपड़ा पहने
तो ऐसा नहीं तो 10-5 मिनट रहा और फिर नॉन डिवोटी का एसोसिएशन शतान प्रसंगाद मम बीज संविद भवन्ति रित्कन्न रसायन कथा शतान प्रसंग among devotees if you remain then Krishna Katha will be so pleasing rasayana katha rasayana therefore Narottam Das Thakur said, তাদেরও চরণ সেবী ভক্ত সানে বাস জনমে জনমে মোর এই অভিলাষ
the satsang.
সৎসঙ্গ
Katanam Sangha, it is Satsanga. Even good literature Sangha is also Satsanga, isn't it?
Yes.
So I am, in the morning I do your Satsanga and afterwards I do the Satsanga of Bhagavad and Bhagavad Gita. So it is a continuous Satsanga.
Yes.
So though I am not doing it.
No, you are not. I don't say that you are rascal.
No, about Satsanga.
Rather, I think myself rascal.
No.
Because
I say about Satsang. I mean, let us turn the issue.
I could not draw you in my temple.
You have drawn me lot. you are dragging me my leg nowadays.
ये बात जरूर है, इसका आनंद ही दूसरा है, इसमें एक बार आनंद आ जाता है ना. We have
Yeah, I think I am not fit to be with you so far. I consider myself.
Everyone is.
I must correct myself and all my defects. Otherwise, I would pollute you. I will become after 65.
15 years late already.
How much late you are? I must follow you. How much late you are? I will come after you. Clothing, sir, that is more important.
No.
You must have the clothing on the internal
Clothing is
side.
anasita karma phalam karjam karma karoti. Sasannas. It is not the clothing. Clothing is the matter. So yogi cha, na niragni na cha. In Hindi, पूर्व का संस्कार दुष्कृति महापाप किया है यही कारण और कुछ and continually doing that mahapa.
Because they are Maya Pataknana. Yes.
It creates their knowledge.
Taken away their sense of understanding, sense of, what do you call it? Sense of understanding or sense of
Sense of reality.
reality. I was trying to say that word, sense of reality. Asuri Sutim Avrata. But today the whole world is practically Asuri. Yes.